Hey game devs, Jason here. Today I want to share with you 3 great deals for Unity developers specifically. The first one is actually free, and it's the Unity Publisher of the Week sale. And this week they've got a free asset called Super Simple Skybox, which is actually a lot more complex and powerful than the name really makes it sound. It gives you a full day and night system and a bunch of customizable skyboxes or customizable skybox systems so you can make your own that work in built-in and the universal render pipeline. So if you've got Unity, you're using it at all, you may as well go grab this one. It's completely free. There's a link for that down in the description. The next thing I wanted to share is this crazy bundle. Now, if you've seen Humble bundles before, this is even crazier, at least it seems to me. It's a giant set of environments from this studio that I'm not sure I can pronounce the name, Liartes Studios. It's something really cool, though. The art itself, though, is pretty awesome, and the price is just amazing. So it's not just like 5 or 10. There's like 20-something full-on environments that you can bring in directly into Unity and start playing with. So lots of really cool stuff here for a total of $30. There's a code. I just dropped the link down below in the description. They gave me a code so you can get 70% off. It should be $30, so not 100, not 1600, $30. Seemed kind of crazy for all of these environments. I already have them and I played around with a couple of them. So far they seem really cool, but for $30, it's just kind of a no-brainer. The last thing I wanted to share is actually my own. I'm doing a big update to my coursework. Something people have been asking for a lot is some architectural stuff around role-playing games and third-person shooters. So if you're interested in that, go to game.courses/surprise. I'll have a link for that down below. And you can get a code to save $100 and get a lot more info about what's coming. Also, make sure that you're subscribed if you want to learn more about that or just general game development. And if there's anything you're interested in learning about specifically, drop a comment down below and let me know. Also, if you know of any other great deals, these ones were just too good, I had to share them. Let me know about those as well. I love picking up amazing deals and sharing them, so I'm happy to see them. All right, thanks again. See you in the next video. Bye.